clearance on the right, stop right there.
Crude oil is heated at high temperatures, separating into different components based on boiling points.
The temperature in Sector 4 is critical.
Rerouting coolant. Levels are dropping back to nominal. Reroute the hydrogen flow to Processing Unit 3. The pressure is dropping.
Acknowledged. Rerouting now.
Look at the retention time on this peak.
Interesting. I'll make a note of the baseline data.
Radiator pressure looks stable at 400 psi. The ultrasonic sign on the Elb joint is clear.
Noted. And that's how petrol is refined, from raw oil to the fuel powering our world.